Men haven't changed, women haven't changed, everything's still the same. Nothing new under the sun is different. You're right. I agree with that. But there are other people who don't understand that ideology. So there are a lot of people out there who would rather date online. There are a lot of people out there who just want the title. And there's a lot of people out there who just want to say, fuck it. They don't even care anymore. They give up on it, right? And the guys who have game will make fun of your goofy ass for throwing in the towel.
Bitch, this isn't the 80s. You just get your dick.
This is what we're going against, okay? It looks like whatever the programming is, they're winning. Men hate women. Women hate men. Men don't understand women. Women don't understand men. It is what it is. There are people out here who are actually proud to be celibate. They're proud. Now, I know Lenny Kravitz recently said that he's been celibate for a couple of years because of the fact that it's a spiritual thing, but we're talking about Lenny fucking Kravitz. You know what I'm saying? Lenny Kravitz just turned 60 years old. He's doing his thing. But people and men, because of their inability to understand women, their inability to do the work that it takes to become better versions of themselves, have taken the easy way out. And now they are proud to be celibate. Watch this.
I think celibacy, especially on a man, is so unbelievably attractive because what it means is that he is not accessible and available to everybody. And that immediately raises his value. I always say not everybody can drive a Bentley and not everybody can own a Chanel. Be a Chanel, be a Bentley, make people earn.
Now, this lady, attractive lady, she's got the accent. She's saying that not everybody can drive a Bentley. Not everybody should own a Chanel. Okay? She's saying that men who can't get laid is attractive. This is all bullshit. If you're on TikTok, you got sons and nephews. Excuse me. Sons and nephews. They're going to tell you, well, Dad, you know, they always say that women say they want this, they want that. That's the oldest trick in the book. They want you to think they want a nice guy. They want you to think that they don't want a guy who can get laid. Women want a leader, okay? Most leaders conquer. They enjoy the spoils of war. So when you hear a woman say that she wants a nice guy, she wants a guy, these are the guys that they settle for, not the guys that they truly want.
That and you be so celibate to the point where you have to sometimes value your body parts and be like, no, you don't deserve it. Yeah. No, you don't qualify. Whereas that guy who's out there getting so many girls in this out, it's just a bit embarrassing.
What's up, boy?
Okay. She basically said that you look goofy. Now I'm a 50-year-old man. There's a lot of niggas that I used to hang out with, that I was cool with, that we have history. They're still in the clubs with the baseball hats, the baggy clothes and shit. They got the fucking gray hairs, the bellies, dancing with all these old bitches. No way. No way. Now I look good for my age and I'm taking care of myself and I'm still working on shit. But I'm not going to go over there and look like a kid to try to appear to be young. Chasing bitches, okay? Now, I'm not talking about choosing signals either. If you see a woman that catches your eye and you caught her eye, okay? You caught her eye. Then at that point, you can make a move. But for me at this age, bro, nah, I'm not chasing no bitch, okay? I'm not chasing no bitch. I got game. I know what to do, but I conserve my energy. I don't play the numbers game. So if you are a younger man listening to me right now, yes, it is indeed a numbers game, but conserve your energy. If you reapply some of the focus that you have on trying to get women, on getting courses, learning how to box, all this shit for bitches, you'll be better off. So a lot of guys are struggling right now and they're proud to be celibate. Listen to this guy.
I made a decision earlier this year that changed my life. I decided to become celibate. And you're probably thinking to yourself, why did he choose to do that? Well, I realized that women and dating was ruining my life, you know? This is my decision. Okay, I made this decision. It wasn't like I had no choice. I had a choice. I just realized that if I wanted to be successful, I would have to stop dating women. You might.
Now, this guy looks like Ron Jeremy. Do you guys think that he made a choice, that he had pussy, but he decided to put it to the side to focus on his goals? Now, it's a slippery slope, man. In this day and age, I'm a 74 baby. it seems like because AI and all the equipment that we have is making us lazy, nobody remembers their phone numbers anymore. Nobody knows how to actually fucking think. We have to explain everything to you guys like you're all fucking autistic. No disrespect to anybody who has autistic children or who may be on the spectrum. We have to explain everything to you motherfuckers down to a granular fucking level. So what I say is, this man is saying that he stopped having sex with women because it was not making him successful. Now, it can be difficult on your way up, trying to find your focus, find your place, find your purpose, etc. You know, it's a tough grind. And sometimes if you can do it by yourself, you can travel a lot faster. You don't have to necessarily worry about anybody else. But at the end of the day, you got to be able to chew and walk, bro. Okay? Now, it's all about discipline. It's all about rationing your time, not letting pussy interfere with your focus, right? So you got to reward yourself, right? If you ate clean all 6 days out the week and now you want a piece of cheesecake, enjoy that piece of cheesecake. If you did everything you were supposed to do, you made the content, you got this, you did all the things that you were supposed to do, and it's Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday, you want to do some brunch with your lady, spend some quality time, bang around, that's your prerogative. The problem is a lot of you guys can't chew and walk, and that's a skill that you have to learn. As a man, you have to be prepared for anything. During your downtime, during the fact that you're lonely, during the fact that nobody's paying attention to you, you have a lot of time. As a content creator, I see you all in the chats. I see you guys all in everybody's channel. I'm like, damn, do they have a life? You got to try to live in the moment. And you got to try to be able to do more things at once, because as you get more successful, you heard the saying, more money, more problems, right? So things don't get easier. You're supposed to get stronger.
Be thinking to yourself, oh, he's probably just saying this because he couldn't get any dates. I could get dates. I got a lot of dates. I was going on dates all the time. I probably had too many dates. If you want to be successful, you got to make the sacrifices.
As a guy, I've been celibate for a whole year, and it's easy, bro. It really is, bro. I literally.
Black men being celibate is okay. Real talk. Take care of yourselves out there. Now, again, this is very important. Very important. Okay, is MGTOW making a comeback? No. It never left. There's going to be a point in time where you're going to not put pussy on a pedestal. Believe it or not. I know you young guys don't believe it. Your testosterone's going through your veins. But at the end of the day, there's more to life than having sex. There's more to life than running game on a woman. How are your finances? How's your health? How's your family lineage? How are your businesses running? How are your hobbies? These are very important. As an older man, I got to talk about shit that's real, because eventually, hopefully, you'll get to this age. And if you can get to this age with this knowledge that I'm giving you and be ahead of the game, you'll be a lot better off, man. You're not going to be wasting your time looking like a bozo, looking like a clown out here. A lot of you guys should be ashamed of yourself for still. I've been doing this for about 4 years, been in these, a content creator, I guess, for 4 years. I've seen the same niggas. Nobody's changed, man. A lot of people haven't really grown, and the time is passing us by. We're already in July. Can you believe it? That means that there's almost 5 months left till the year. Where are you at, bro? So when I talk about, and we listen to men being proud of being celibate, it's all about choices. As a man, nobody can tell you what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to do whatever the hell you want to do. However, are you making the right decisions? Are you giving up just because you don't understand women? You're too hard-headed? Are you giving up because you're listening to people who don't resemble or have anything to do with your lifestyle?
Wake up and do what I want to do in the morning. I just get up, go do my passion jobs. I work out. I chill, bro. I don't put my emphasis on that, bro. I did that before, and it didn't get me nowhere. It just left me numb. Didn't really fall in love. Like, bro, that whole stereotype, like, man, if a man get a lot of jinx, then he's the man. I don't want to deal with none of that stuff, bro. Bro,
that's my concern. You know what I'm saying? That's my concern. My game comrades are gonna make fun of niggas like you. Niggas that may resonate with this young man, this black dude with a hoodie on. Being able to multitask is an important skill that all men need to start to learn how to do. Can you chew and walk, bro? Can you do more than one thing at once? This is very important. It's the only way you're going to be able to survive. It's the only way that you're going to be able to stand out in the crowd. We all know that women need men. They don't want to say that. That's why it's been crickets when the draft came about. I haven't heard anything on TMZ, all the gossip sites that we all content creators look at. Nobody's talking about the draft. So they know that they need men. So we are disposable. So in order for us to minimize us being disposable, we have to learn how to do more than one thing. And if you're not getting pussy right now, what else are you focusing on to better yourself?
Celibate as a dude is not bad, bro. And stop worrying about, man, if I don't get a lot, women ain't gonna find me attractive, man. Stop worrying about all of that, bro. No, do it for you, bro, and take care of yourself, bro. I'm trying to, you can't give your energy to all these women, bro. They don't, Only chosen ones know.
I agree with that. You can't give your energy to all these women. Yeah. You can't give your energy to all these content creators either. You can't give your energy to, listen, bro, 50 years old, okay? 50 years old. Conserve your energy. Conserve your energy, bro. Okay? Science, the doctors will tell you, conserve your energy. Your testosterone is plummeting. You're sitting down all day. You got blue light. You're drinking fucking atrazine. You got a lot of things against you, bro. A lot of you niggas are not working out. You're not even eating properly. You're drinking. It's Friday night. What time is it? 7:53. You're about to go out. This is very important. Conserve your energy. Don't waste time on frivolous things. I want to be outside. It's a nice day outside. There's a big event going on. There's some grand opening, some shit going on right now. But I got to chill. Conserve my energy. So what do you do with your energy, AV? I'm just going to do this show. The shit that's going to make me eventually become better, become a better content creator, become a better teacher, speaker, coach. And this is something I'm delving into. That's going to be something that's going to mean something. Not no bitch. The bitch can wait. Okay? The bitch can wait.
You know, bro, you can't get it. Come on, man. Can't get his aura? Oh, baby.
But celibacy is for everybody. Dog, you don't realize how much more control you have over your emotions and the way that certain situations do or don't influence you until you take the equation of sexual encounters out of it. Like, if I'm gonna be real, bro, for a solid about 4 years, every relationship I had with a female, either it was sexual or there was sexual tension behind it. And my reason for going celibate was getting right with God.
This nigga said he stopped being in sexual relationships because he wanted to get right with God. Listen, again, if you believe in that thing, you believe in God, you understand that God made us as humans. We are supposed to make errors. We're flawed. We're supposed to sin. That's part of the human experience. You should not be depriving yourself of the things that you want because of the fact that you can't focus on something. So I'm not going to be here to challenge your religious beliefs and shit like that. But at the end of the day, this guy is saying that he wanted to get right with God. Who are we? Who am I to say that that's stupid? Who am I to say? But we got to talk about shit like this because there are a lot of people, your sons, your nephews, even you older guys are proud to be celibate only because you think that you're doing something. You think that you're making an honorable or a flex because you can't get no pussy. So now you want to just confront it.
But once I realized how much control it gave me over myself, bruh, stuff don't even get under my skin the way it used to. Like, you know how people say, oh, there's always this one girl that can hit the nerve that only your mama can hit. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. Ever since I done stopped, you know what I'm saying? I done took the meat out the deli. Bruh, it's over. Like, can't nobody piss me off for real. Like,
Guys, do me a favor. Make sure you guys like this video, share this video. If you want to donate, I'd appreciate it. Cash at me, Alpha Villains, or send in a super chat. Today we're talking about a debate. Why women and men feel that dating today sucks.
If there's some mothers in here, bro, please stop. Please let your child see their father, especially if they a good father. Let your child see their father. If y'all just don't know, that ruins us inside. Like, it ruins us bad. Like, our relationship, like, we have to grow up with this. And this gonna forever be a story of our lives growing up without our father. Like, if you got a child right now and you're literally keeping them away from their father, you ruin the kid's life. It's not gonna come back good on you. They gonna always have this hatred towards you. You feel me? For you keeping them, but if you like keep them away from a father for a good reason, like he a drug addict or something like that, or he just can't get right, then yeah, I understand. But if he's a good father, let the man see his child for sure. Like, for real, like, let him see his child, because I'm telling you, we need our father figures. You feel me? We need our father figures. We love our mom. We love y'all to death. We love our mom so much, but we need our father figures. We need that, that manly in our life. You feel what I'm saying? So please let your child see their father, especially if they're a great father. And if you are anything like me, and you're grown now and you have the chance to go find your father, and he actually like a good person, I advise y'all to go find y'all father and go talk to your father and catch up on times. Cause look, this life is short, bro. I understand that this life is short and you only get one father. You feel me? So I feel like I gained enough confidence to go actually speak to my dad and have a conversation with him and see like what he's been going through all these years without seeing me.